I'm not going to get into a dissertation here on constitutional position, but I do want to point something out. If we say the Supreme Court of the United States is the final arbiter of law, and you're shaking your head, I'm not trying to be mean here. I'm trying to point out fact. And if we can't spend 15 minutes taking a look at something that I think is extremely important with regard to the life of a child, then what are we even doing here? So with the Supreme Court, and they've got on their website, they are the final arbiter of law. The statement can be found there. It's their opinion. That's what the court does. It gives opinion on laws and how laws are interpreted. But if the Supreme Court is the final arbiter, what would have happened with the Missouri Compromise? You don't have to answer that, but I think there are those in this room who know that Missouri took a position that was contrary to the Supreme Court of the United States.
Sorry, I just didn't know where you were going with that.
And I wasn't expecting an answer. That's kind of a rhetorical question, because what came after that was Dred Scott. If the Supreme Court were right, there are some in this very room who wouldn't be serving as legislators. The Supreme Court is not the final arbiter. They made a mistake in 1973, and it's up to the courts, it's up to the legislature, the United States Congress, because they allowed them to hear that case and didn't leave it to the states in our jurisdiction. They need to correct the court.